Hello and welcome to another video with Vibrant Living International and me, your host, Donna Tashjian. I am your life mastery and spiritual intelligence coach, helping you to increase your energy and live more vibrantly. Today, our subject is fatigue. Fatigue has been on my mind. I keep hearing it everywhere I go and every conversation I'm having. And we just finished the Fuel Your Fire online retreat, our first one, and it had phenomenal results. There was energy and renewed vision and healing in bodies. It was amazing to see what God does when we show up with expectation to have our fire fueled. Let's talk about fatigue today. Fatigue is so common. Our world is fast-paced, and it can be draining in our life. In this video, you will receive practical insights to help you overcome exhaustion and to choose joy. Thinking about fatigue, there's actually different kinds. There's emotional fatigue, spiritual fatigue, and physical. Physical, you can rest. After exercise, when you may feel a little bit tired, it is actually energizing. A good day's work and resting your body feels good. But emotional and spiritual fatigue is another story. I remember, and I've shared many stories, when I was running a nonprofit, volunteering at a church, raising 3 kids, running another business, all of the things and all of the plates and juggling outside school activities and paying bills and making menus and getting the laundry done and all of the things that we do. And I didn't take care of me. And I was just so tired. And one of the skills that I've learned is when I am that fatigued, I am carrying something I am not supposed to. It says in Isaiah, they that wait upon the Lord will renew their strength. They will mount up as wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. I believe that spiritual intelligence, the spiritual fatigue, is the deepest core. It is the place you can get energy, even when our emotions are being drained and people are saying your name one more time, or mom, or something, demanding time of you. Spiritual renewal changes everything. Shifting and choosing to choose joy, which is one of the reasons I created my Choose Joy program, to overcome sadness and depression and fear, which all of those things lead to fatigue, where you feel like you just can't get out of bed. I've been there. It is not a fun place, but you don't have to stay there. Choosing joy does not mean ignoring the struggle, but it is like the wings of an eagle learning to rise above it. One of the things that I have discovered trying to have those quiet times with God, if my thought or my sentence begins with the phrase, I'm afraid of, or what concerns me is, it is not your Father's voice speaking to you. That is allowing fear to take preeminence, fear to take an elevated place. when it's not supposed to. It is not God speaking to you. To find that quiet time, to reclaim that spiritual quiet time with God will change everything. The other thing that helped me was getting a coach and getting support. People look at me as a strong woman who's accomplished all kinds of things. But I have those moments where life gets to you. And if you know my stories, it has quite a few opportunities. But learning to find that stillness, that quiet place, fighting for it in the midst of demands and busyness, and shifting your focus to gratitude, even in overwhelm, exhaustion, fatigue, finding small joys and blessings each day, and focus your mind on what you want, not what you don't want. Creating a morning routine will change your life, which is why I created the 15-minute miracle, which is a gift. If you would like that today, just comment below this video and I will be happy to send that to you. Just taking 5, 10, 15 minutes to center yourself on what you want to choose to believe, what you want to let go of. Remember, I talked about carrying loads that we weren't meant to carry. And surround yourself with uplifting communities. Take laughter breaks. Find places that will create more gratitude in your life. Where you put your focus, it's magnified. You get to choose where you put your focus. Joy. Joy is an inner strength. It's deeper than happiness. And every day you can choose joy. There is a link below this video to check out my Choose Joy program. It will transform your life, kicking sadness and fatigue and overwhelm and exhaustion to the curb, and learn how to renew your mind so that you can soar on wings as eagled. Let's review the 4 steps that I shared to reclaim and to energize yourself. Create a 15-minute miracle in the morning or evening if that works better for you. I like mornings. A time where you can get quiet, and doing it a little bit before you go to bed to what you have to do tomorrow is amazing to help you have better sleep. That is number 1. Number 2, shift your focus from things that you don't want to what you do want, and practice gratitude. Number 3, create daily disciplines to help your mind stay on what you want. Choosing joy, laughter breaks, finding things to be joyful for, appreciate all of the blessings in your life. And number 4 is connect with uplifting communities. It's one of the reasons you're here in the Vibrant Living community. Engage. The more that you engage with people that inspire you and encourage you, the more you will be lifted. The people we surround ourselves and the books we read and the thoughts we think transform your life. If you haven't gotten my book, The Key to Transform Your Life, that's another resource that is available to you. Feel free to visit my website to learn all of the other resources at iVibrantLiving.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and every week you will get an inspiring and challenging video as well. I am so thankful that you are part of this community. We want to spread the news for joy and happiness and prosperity and all of the things that God has promised us, and how to put our hands on them and how to make an impact in this world, co-partnering with Him to spread this love throughout the earth. So thankful for you. I believe in you. I am here for you. Whenever you would like to talk, you can schedule a complimentary consultation, and I will love to support you on your journey. Be sure to check out the Choose Joy program, and let's elevate. Every one of us could elevate our thoughts and grow and increase. Until I see you back here again next week, choose joy. Bye for now.